Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 6 hours have been a little shaky. The whole market is down by quite a margin, and this is due to the healthy profit taking, and the whole market is so volatile right now. Obviously going down, it's going to be very explosive as well. Talking about Bitcoin, it did retest close to 86,000 but was able to make a recovery. Talking about Dogecoin, the price might not be doing the best, but when we talk about the trading volume, it's still doing crazy numbers, actually trying to catch up to Ethereum. The RSI line is definitely getting a reset, and that's exactly what is needed for the market to climb even higher. The whales are still buying up this dip, 41 cents, and this whale decided to buy another $18 million worth of Dogecoin. Trump just announced Doge, which is going to be part of the government, and the historical, when Doge moves to this place, it's going to have a little bit of a pullback before it sees another explosive growth. And Dogecoin price prediction, it could spark to its all-time high very soon. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything relating to Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. Just become part of the biggest army when it comes to Dogecoin on YouTube. And while you're there, slap a like on the video. You just have the YouTube algorithm, then push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the Dogecoin army. They decide to jump into it, more money flows into it, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now, first of all, I want to talk to you guys about the price action. Now, you can see after testing close to 44 cents, now we are seeing a little bit of a pullback, but we are getting very close to the point which is going to be acting as a really strong support, and that's actually close to 35 cents. And you can see that we're pretty much bang on that price target. Now, if I put it into a 1 hour chart, it will give you a little bit more perspective. You can see that 35 cents has been, tested by Dogecoin a couple of times, and it's not actually breaking that support, which is really good, because as long as it's able to hold that strongly, we do have a really good potential to see the market keep climbing. I did mention this a couple of days ago. I mean, you guys might have been paying attention, because a lot of you are paying attention to the videos, and you realize that right now, we just need to consolidate around this zone in the time that Bitcoin is trying to find a clear direction. Soon as Bitcoin is able to climb over 100,000, Doge will be following shortly behind it. And what I mean by that is not climbing to 100,000, but rather making it to its all-time high. As long as we're able to stay between these lines and make sure that we consolidate and do not break below the support, we do have a long way to go. Keep in mind, Doge has had a very explosive growth since the start of November, so there is going to be some people who did decide to hold for the long term. We're going to be taking some healthy profit. I always say, when you do see the market going down, do not panic sell. Taking healthy profit is completely fine. It's actually really, really good. But if you do decide to panic sell, the people that are going to win from that is only going to be whales, because what's going to happen is a whale decides to trigger something. The market's going to kind of shoot downwards, and there's going to be a lot of traders which are going to get liquidated. The market keeps climbing, but more below. And then you're going to be the person that's going to be panic selling. The market climbs even lower, and after that, the whales are going to buy into it, and then the FOMO will start kicking in again. So you guys can see that's just pretty much a cycle. The way to get away from this cycle is just make sure you never get into the trap of panic selling. Especially if you just go on Twitter, you will understand how many people are panicking. If you see something like that, the best thing to do is simply walk away. That's all I'm going to say. Just put your phone down and go look at something else and come back in a couple of hours and then make the decision. Now, this whale, which is actually the 21st largest holder of Dogecoin, decided to purchase after a very long time. Just to give you perspective, on 6th of November, they purchased their last buy, which was close to $20 million worth of Dogecoin at the price of 17 cents. And then today morning, $18 million worth of Dogecoin at the price of 41 cents. So that should give you perspective what this person is feeling. They're definitely seeing the FOMO kick in. Then they're definitely expecting Dogecoin to keep climbing. And that's one of the reasons why they decided to simply buy into it. And another thing which has caused this pullback is, if you guys do not know, usually what happens when it comes to the overall market of crypto is we always get rumors which are going to be helping. What I mean by that is rumors such as, oh, Dogecoin is going to do well, something's about to happen in the background, Bitcoin, Trump is going to be there. Whenever the rumors are building, usually the price builds. But soon as I mean, soon as the news drops or official news, it's pretty much going to be a little bit of a pullback. That's exactly what we are experiencing right now. Buy the rumors, sell the news. And let's just say our boy Trump decided to make some sort of official announcement where our boy Elon was actually involved. And historically, whenever Dogecoin crosses this line, there has always been a little bit of a pullback before another explosive move. You can see a little bit pullback and then another explosive move that's going to set its all-time high. I do want to mention something interesting. Elon Musk and Vivek to lead Doge initiative, sparking a speculation on Dogecoin's future integration. What's really interesting is, what is this department going to be doing? That's the first question, because this is a new department, or solely, completely just for one reason, which is going to be just to take care of the government's money. Now in the future, if they decide to add crypto relating to something this, and then they have Dogecoin integrated with this, you guys know the amount of money that the government can flow into the markets is kind of absurd. And the Ambition Doge initiative aims to reshape the government processes, drawing comparison to historic project and aimed at pretty much monumental change. Now, there are a lot of articles about this. I've been paying very close attention to it, and the fact that our boy Trump has confirmed that Elon and Vivek, which was, I believe Vivek was part of a lot of things in the back end, he is going to be part of this. And just to give you perspective, his net worth is quite a large sum of money as well. I mean, his net worth right now is sitting close to $1 billion. So this person definitely knows what they're doing, and if they're going to be becoming part of this, it's definitely going to have some sort of implementation with crypto in the future. Another whale which I've been paying attention to is this one. This one sold quite a lot of Doge in the morning, but then at a lower price they're buying again. So it's like a sort of a trading method, you can say. And if Doge does decide to retest the middle grounds, it's going to be crossing that dollar mark in a really short run. Now Binance records a 7 billion weekly inflow as Bitcoin surge attract investors. Now 7 billion US dollars worth of inflow. That's one of the largest they have experienced ever. That should give you perspective. And Dogecoin flips XRP, building a historical golden cross, is $1 next. I mean, the chances are quite high, just to give you perspective, because the rate at which it is moving, it's definitely showing potential to see something explosive in a really short time. I mean, the type of gains that we received just in the last couple of days, honestly, in the last 4 days, we've doubled in price. That should already say a lot about Dogecoin and where it is headed. I do think that the market might actually have a little bit more pullback before we see another explosive, but just be a little patient, because this is going to be needing, there is no way to just keep climbing. Other than that, thank you for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a like on it.